This video demonstrates our multi-level area balancing technique for laying out cluster graph with disjoint vertices. A cluster graph is often used to model real-world relationships since they accompany cluster attributes, for example, subsistence for biological pathways or educational backgrounds for social networks are essential for analysis purposes. Our algorithm borrows the ideas of illustrators, which allows us to perform multi-level area balancing, arrange schematized space partitioning, manage hairball via vertex duplication coupled with visual integration. With this approach, we can fully utilize the screen space and generate a pathway diagram that spreads vertices properly while visually grouping and aligning structure patterns. The present algorithm computes the result in 4 phases, including category level, component level, topology level, and detail level space partitioning, with several improvements such as curvy contours and paths. This clip shows an example of metabolic pathways where vertices are chemical reactions or metabolites, and edges describe their corresponding relationship within human cells. It often includes proper clusters of reactions, for example, the spatial information of compartments in a cell, or pathway ontology describing functional categories as marked as color background here. Our technique allows us to focus on important metabolites, for example, ADP, while fully duplicating less informative molecules such as water and hydrogen. We can further track important metabolites such as glutamate by following our spanning tree style visual integration. This example shows a larger dataset that follows the same process. Vertices are nearly uniformly distributed over the screen space, and small connected components are pushed and aligned at the corner. The glutamates are again highlighted to demonstrate that subsystems involving glutamates are placed in the neighborhood. The present example shows popular food recipes extracted from the meal database. Our food map allows us to classify the types of cuisine visually. From the result, compared to other countries, ingredients in British recipes are relatively strongly connected, even after a considerable amount of duplication. The red spanning tree connects the soy sauce vertex in different countries. Interestingly, it shows that soy sauce is only commonly used in Asian cuisine. Our design implicitly groups the countries in the same continent as their neighbors, based on the accessibility of food ingredients. We also compare our approach with the conventional techniques. The results also support the visual quality of the maps generated using our algorithm.